Today my chickens are a little bit pissed off at me. You see, yesterday a hawk got my favorite hen. She had just started laying. She was out minding her own damn business, foraging. And out of nowhere, right before my eyes, a hawk swooped down, grabbed her up, and took off with her. I was devastated. Traumatized my other chickens to the point they spent the next 3 hours hiding out underneath the RV. I also suspect that a couple of my other hens have started laying, but they're laying out in the woods. I figure between the hawk and them laying out in the woods, maybe they should stay inside the coop for a couple of days. This didn't set too well with them. I know y'all want out, but you can't. The hawks are after y'all. Hey girls. Oh no! 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 A hawk got one of my chickens! No! So, the littles don't know it, but tonight they're getting moved to their big girl coop. They are fully feathered out and they have just about outgrown the brooder. Hello, homestead kitty. This is the coop that my hubby built me. It may not look like much, but it's going to serve its purpose. Because next spring, when I need to separate out my breeds to keep them pure, I can keep them in here. We got the Patriot coop. But not only do I have to deal with hawks swooping down catching my chickens, Buck apparently has a urinary tract infection. And where I don't know the first damn thing about goats, and a local vet can't see him till Monday, hubby and I are trying to treat Buck the best way we know how, with some antibiotics we got at Tractor Supply, and some bag balm. So I've been reading up on it, and apparently goats are real bad to get kidney stone. I'm gonna turn the camera around and let you see Buck, because he don't feel good at all. He's just been laying there. Been doing this for a few days now. Took me a few days to even realize something was wrong. Daisy's good. I hear that hawk. Did y'all just hear that? Well, I'm really worried about Buck. Daisy, what are you trying to eat my shirt for? So between the hawk and the goats, we're not having a good day over here on the homestead farm. On a side note, we did get the littles moved to their big girl coop.
Thank you for watching our show, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!